All right, folks, it's a beautiful day out here. Sun's shining, looking great. You probably can't see me because the sun's behind me. How's that? Anyway, this is the second in a series of about, I don't know, 7 or 8 motorcycles that I'm going to sell. So here it is. I'm not positive the year. This is a Honda. It's 2 bikes actually. The engine itself is from a CA95, which is 150cc, twin cylinder, 4-stroke. The exhaust is new from Thailand. The covers were repainted. They were kind of scratched up. I see it's missing a bolt here. There probably was a carrier on the back of this. There was a split and it's trying to split again, I see. It needs some body work on the fenders. There was a split here. I tried to weld it, but I'm no welder. What else? Oh, there were no bearings in the steering here, so I had to get bearings for it. Put those in. Took the carb off and cleaned it. It's single carb feeding the 2 cylinders. It looks pretty good. I put a new seat cover on it. It does run. It does not have a title. I think everything works on it. It doesn't have turn signals. It's got a headlight, tail light, brake lights. That's about it. That license plate is the one that came on it when I bought it for 400 bucks. I got about that in parts in it. Had to buy the you see that chain cover down there? All right, that wasn't on there. And then engine parts and carb kits and all that stuff. So like I say, it runs and does not have a title. So that's up for sale. Let me tell you what it's going to cost you. I think it's a 1965, but I can't be sure of that because CA, yeah, 500 bucks. The frame is a CA160. The engine is a CA95. They were basically the same. The 160, of course, had 10 cc more of engine. But other than that, it was okay. The same. That's it.